Welcome to Arcade1Up HQ. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install side art on your Arcade1Up cabinet. For our tools, we're going to need some weights or something that can weigh down our artwork, scissors, a squeegee with a soft edge, and a sharp craft knife. This will be a dry application of the side art because at Arcade1Up we use high quality 3M vinyl which has AirEgress technology built into the adhesive. The AirEgress adhesive has grooves in it so that no air bubbles get trapped underneath the vinyl. Our first step is to clean the surface to which our vinyl will be installed. We find that using an alcohol-based product works best as it dries quickly. Next, we use the weights to position the vinyl on the side of the cabinet. Using your fingers, feel for the edge of the cabinet and center everything correctly. Shift the weights a little bit away from the bottom edge and separate the vinyl from the backing about 6 to 10 inches. Now cut the vinyl backing with the scissors, and with the squeegee, push the vinyl into the cabinet in a sweeping motion, pushing all the air towards the edges. Remove the weights and roll the vinyl tightly towards the previously applied section. Now continue to remove the backing slowly while applying the vinyl using overlapping strokes. Now that the side art is applied, we need to remove the excess bleed. Pull the vinyl taut while slowly trimming it using the craft knife. And after that, the side art is installed. That's all there is to it. My next couple of videos are going to cover how to install vinyl on the other locations on the cabinet, so stay tuned for those. Thank you for watching.